on JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a very lightweight format for storing and transporting data. So this is a simple sample JSON. Name, John, age 31, city, New York. Now what are things that you need to know when working with JSON on Python? So for importing this work, we have to have an import module, import JSON, and there's a method called loads. What it does is it can be used to parse and validate for a valid JSON string and convert into a Python dictionary. Now we are going to process a sample JSON. So first we have to import it, then read the data. I'm going to import a JSON and I'm going to point the sample JSON file. So this is a simple JSON file, name with age and car. Okay, now I'm going to open this file. JSON file equal to open sample file .r. Now in a for loop, I am going to read each line and then print the data. For record in JSON file data equal to JSON.loads. What is load? Loads is a method that is used to parse a valid JSON string. So I'm going to print this file. Let me execute this module. See, you can see we have now, if you want to, for a JSON, if you want to get this name alone, so what we have to do is in quotes name. So we will get Tom, Sam and Jack. So we have read a sample, very simple JSON. Now JSON can be multiple types. The other example for JSON is just a nested JSON. So this you can see ID, type, name, image, then thumbnail, and inside this image and thumbnail we have a nested JSON. So I'm going to read this file. I just deleting all and importing this. So this is a sample JSON file. Just like previous, I'm going to open this JSON, then load this JSON. So file data JSON.loads, then JSON.read file dot read operation I am doing. Now I'm going to print the file data. Now let's see how it. So we can see all the things have been printed. Now if I want to print this ID alone, you can see ID. Oops, sorry. ID. Now in the above, you can see here we have an URL image URL is there and width is there. Now if I want to print this URL, so now the second line should have the we have to print as image. Okay, to get the, because image is the key and the other thing inside the curly braces is the data value. So if I get image, now if I want to get this URL alone, then I have to here inside this URL. Now you can see that, see images dot j, that is inside image, then URL. So that way you can get a nested JSON's value here. So just to recap, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight format for storing and transporting data. So module that is used to import is import JSON. Loads is the method that can be used to parse a valid JSON string. One thing you should remember that when you are doing a loads, the data inside the load should be a string format. Then it can convert to a Python dictionary.